The Berne Vintage washed Sherpa-Lined hooded jacket is a testament to over a century of commitment to providing practical, dependable workwear. Crafted with attention to the needs of the hardworking individual, this jacket combines vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, making it ideal for the job site, around the shop, or on the farm. This rugged jacket features a 12-ounce 100% cotton sanded duck shell, designed for durability and a soft, broken-in feel thanks to its vintage wash. The body is lined with heavyweight polyester Sherpa for exceptional warmth, while the sleeves are equipped with medium-weight insulation quilted to polyester taffeta, ensuring full coverage against the cold. The design incorporates pleated elbows and an action back, enhancing the range of motion crucial for active work. Storage is abundant with 3 inside pockets, 2 snap-closed chest pockets, and 2 front on-seam pockets, offering ample space for tools and essentials. Additional features include reinforced nylon cuffs for added durability, a 3-piece hood with a drawstring to keep out the chill, a heavy-duty brass front zipper protected by a snap-closed storm flap, and an extended back that traps heat effectively. The Berne Vintage washed Sherpa-Lined hooded jacket is more than just clothing. It's a piece of heritage, designed to serve those who work hard and value reliability.